What's going on, guys? Hope you guys have been good and are having a great week as usual. Today we've got the JJJJOUND VANS skate mids on hand. These are the olive colorway, my personal favorite from the three colors. I was debating heavily on picking up either the brown pair or these olive ones, but I think I kind of have enough brown stuff in my closet as it is. I did want to pick up more dark green and olive colored gear, so I decided on going with these. But yeah, let's get right into the styling, guys. 3 ways to style these JJJJOUND VANS skate mids, and then we'll check out the details and sizing advice with the unboxing at the end. It's almost time for jumper season, and there's no better jumper than a vintage Kushi. Of course, massively inspired by Biggie. I picked this piece up in a vintage store in Seoul about 2 years ago now. You could wear it 2 ways, just normally or tied over the shoulders. Pairing that with a pair of sage colored COS denim and an Emilion d'Or cap with a white tee on the inner just for some nice color contrast. Vibing off the color blocking on the JJJJOUND VANS skate mids. Next up, we're going for the vintage graphic tee and denim combo. This time we're going with a pop fit. We've got a 2-part vintage style graphic tee, Celine snapback, paired with some light wash Gucci denim, contrasting the olive on the JJJJOUND VANS for a nice color pop. This look is really easy to replicate. You just need an oversized vintage style tee, plus some light washed baggy denim, and a 6-panel hat, and you're good to go. Lastly, going for a more minimal and matured look, a little closer to the JJJJOUND aesthetic. We've got this olive Velveteen Zara overshirt, white COS tank for the layering, COS denim in cream, plus a green beanie on top, which I also got for cheap from one of the night markets in Seoul. I think this might be one of my favorite fits in a while. Really clean and simple, but super comfy fit. Once again, just vibing off the color blocking from the JJJJOUND VANS skate mids. Now let's get into the unboxing and details real quick. We've got this special edition JJJJOUND box. These came with an extra pair of laces, so you have the option of white or cream. I went with the creams. A JJJJOUND sticker. Getting into the shoe, we've got that signature JJJJOUND green, a suede upper with contrasting green panels, sitting on a white rubber waffle sole, a minimal approach with the mini JJJJOUND logo tabs on the heel, and my pair with the extra cream laces. I don't have a lot of Vans. My last pair would probably be the FOG collabs back in 2016. I beat those skate highs to death. Absolutely loved them. Those were a super versatile pair as well, and I can't wait to do the same with these JJJJOUND joints. As for sizing, just go true to size to your usual Vans size. Pretty similar to Nike, and you should be good with these. I also see a lot of hate in the IG comments that these came out in mids. But honestly, I kind of like the silhouette. It looks super chill to me, but maybe some of you Vans hits could educate me a little. Anyways, that's gonna be it for me today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video on styling the JJJJOUND VANS skate mids in the olive colorway. Let me know which look was your favorite. I'm just excited about getting some Vans into my rotation again. This olive colorway is way too clean. I'm glad the resale isn't too bad on these this time around too. So if you luck out on a good deal on these, I definitely recommend picking up a pair. But with that being said, that's gonna be it for me today, guys. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share, or comment. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoy my content and would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram. I'm also on TikTok now, so don't forget to check that out too. And yeah, much love, guys. Peace. See you guys again soon.